a bride's best friend, makeup, your wedding day. It's a whirlwind of emotions, excitement, and of course, photos. From the moment you wake up to the final dance, every second is filled with joy and anticipation. You want to look back and see the best version of yourself. That's where makeup comes in. It's not just about looking good in photos, but feeling your absolute best throughout the day. It's not about masking your beauty, but enhancing it. Makeup should highlight your natural features, making you feel like the most beautiful version of yourself. Like a magic wand, makeup highlights your features and gives you that bridal glow. It's the secret ingredient to feeling radiant and confident. It's about feeling confident and radiant as you say I do. When you feel good, it shows in every smile, every glance, and every photo. Think of makeup as your wedding day sidekick. It's there to support you, boost your confidence, and ensure you look incredible from dawn till dusk. It's there to support you, boost your confidence, and ensure you look incredible. Whether you're walking down the aisle or dancing the night away, makeup keeps you looking fresh and fabulous. Just like choosing the perfect dress, finding the right makeup look for your big day is crucial. It's a reflection of your personality and style. Let's embark on this journey together. We'll explore different styles, colors, and techniques to find what makes you feel most beautiful. We'll create a soft and elegant bridal makeup look that's timeless and effortlessly beautiful. Something that enhances your natural beauty and stands the test of time. This is about enhancing your natural radiance, not hiding it. We want your inner glow to shine through. We want you to look like you, just even more luminous and captivating. Every detail, from the blush on your cheeks to the shimmer on your eyelids, will be perfect. Ready to begin? Let's dive in. Together we'll create a look that's uniquely you, making your special day even more unforgettable. Prepping your canvas. Skin is key. Your skin is the foundation of your bridal look, and just like an artist preps their canvas, you need to prepare your skin for the masterpiece that is your wedding day makeup. Imagine a painter starting a masterpiece on a dirty canvas. It just wouldn't work. The same principle applies to your skin. A clean, well-prepped face is essential for makeup that looks stunning and lasts all day. Your skin is the canvas for your bridal makeup. Prepping it properly is crucial for a flawless and long-lasting finish. This means taking the time to cleanse, tone, and moisturize your skin, ensuring it is in the best possible condition. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser. This removes any impurities and excess oil that could interfere with your makeup. A clean face is the first step to a radiant look. Follow with a hydrating toner to balance your skin's pH levels. This step is often overlooked but is crucial for maintaining your skin's natural barrier. Now it's time to moisturize. Choose a moisturizer suited for your skin type. This will ensure your skin is hydrated and ready to hold makeup without looking greasy or dry. If you have dry skin, opt for a richer cream. This will provide the necessary hydration and create a smooth base for your makeup. For oily skin, a lightweight gel formula works best. It hydrates without adding extra oil, keeping your makeup in place longer. Massage it gently into your skin to create a smooth and hydrated base. This not only feels great, but also helps the moisturizer penetrate deeper. Don't forget your lips. Apply a lip balm to keep them soft and supple. Dry, chapped lips can ruin the look of even the best lipstick. This will ensure your lipstick glides on smoothly later. Well-moisturized lips are the key to a perfect pout. A well-prepped base is the secret to flawless makeup application. Taking these steps will ensure your makeup looks beautiful and stays put throughout your special day. Building your dream. Look step by step. Now the fun part. With your skin prepped and ready, let's create that soft and elegant bridal makeup look. First, apply a primer. This creates a smooth surface for your foundation to adhere to. Choose a primer that addresses your specific skin concerns. Next, it's foundation time. Select a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly. Apply it evenly all over your face, blending seamlessly into your neck. Concealer is your secret weapon. Use it to cover any blemishes or dark circles. Apply it sparingly and blend well for a natural finish. Set your base with a light dusting of translucent powder. This helps to keep everything in place and prevents shine. Focus on your T-zone, where you tend to get oily. Soft and elegant. Decoding the look. Soft and elegant is all about enhancing your natural beauty. Think romantic hues, subtle definition, and a luminous glow. For the eyes, choose neutral eyeshadows in soft browns, taupes, and champagnes. Apply a light shade all over your lid, followed by a medium shade in the crease to add depth. Curl your lashes and apply a few coats of black or brown mascara. This will open up your eyes and make them appear brighter. Avoid heavy eyeliner. Instead, opt for a thin line of brown or black eyeliner close to your lash line for subtle definition. For cheeks, choose a rosy blush that complements your skin tone. Smile and apply it to the apples of your cheeks, blending upwards towards your temples. Section 5. Long-lasting love makeup that stays put. It's your wedding day, and you need your makeup to last. Here's how to ensure it stays put through all the happy tears and dancing. Setting spray is your best friend. After you've finished your makeup, spritz a generous amount of setting spray all over your face. This acts like a hairspray for your makeup, locking it in place. Another trick is to use waterproof formulas. Opt for waterproof mascara and eyeliner to prevent any smudging or running. If you have oily skin, carry blotting papers with you to absorb excess oil throughout the day. Remember, it's always better to touch up than to overdo it. Keep a small makeup bag handy for any necessary touch-ups throughout the day. Section 6. Pro Secrets from the Artist's Kit. In this section, we delve into the essential tools and techniques that professional makeup artists swear by. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tips will elevate your makeup game. Want to achieve a flawless finish? Here are some professional makeup artist secrets. These tips are designed to help you create a look that is both polished and natural. Use a damp makeup sponge to apply your foundation for a natural airbrushed effect. The dampness of the sponge ensures that the foundation blends effortlessly into your skin, giving you a smooth and even complexion. The damp sponge helps to blend the foundation seamlessly into your skin. It prevents the foundation from looking cakey or heavy, making your skin look naturally flawless. Apply your blush with a light hand and build up the color gradually. This technique allows you to control the intensity of the blush, ensuring that you don't overdo it. This will give you a natural flush of color rather than a harsh stripe. A gradual buildup of color mimics the natural way your skin would blush, giving you a more youthful and radiant appearance. Don't be afraid to use your fingers to apply eyeshadow and blend it out. Your fingers can be one of your best tools, providing a level of control and warmth that brushes sometimes can't. The warmth of your fingers helps to melt the product into your skin for a seamless finish. This technique is especially useful for cream eyeshadows, which can be tricky to blend with brushes. When applying mascara, wiggle the wand from the root to the tip of your lashes. This motion helps to coat each lash evenly and adds volume without clumping. This will help to separate and define each lash. By wiggling the wand, you ensure that your lashes are fully coated and beautifully fanned out, giving you a wide-eyed, dramatic look. Section 7. The finishing touch. Confidence. You've prepped, primed, and perfected. Now it's time for the most important step, confidence. Look in the mirror and embrace your beauty. This is your day to shine, and your makeup is simply there to enhance your natural radiance. Remember, makeup is just one small part of your wedding day. Don't let it overshadow the joy and love that you'll be celebrating. Relax, enjoy every moment, and let your inner beauty shine through. Section 8. Must-have products, your bridal beauty arsenal. Building your bridal makeup kit? Here are some must-have products. Primer creates a smooth base for makeup. Foundation evens out skin tone. Concealer covers blemishes and dark circles. Setting powder keeps makeup in place. Eyeshadow palette. Choose neutral shades. Mascara defines and lengthens lashes. Blush adds a healthy flush of color. Lipstick. Choose a shade that complements your look. Setting spray locks in makeup for long-lasting wear. Makeup brushes, essential for flawless application. Section 9. Your day, your way, final thoughts. Remember, these are just guidelines. Ultimately, the most important thing is to choose a makeup look that makes you feel beautiful and confident on your wedding day. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different looks until you find one that you love. If you're unsure, seek advice from a professional makeup artist. Your wedding day is a celebration of your love story, and your makeup should reflect your unique personality and style. Embrace your individuality and let your inner beauty shine through. Congratulations!